Good morning, everyone. My name is Hev Katparia from Standard Second. My project in math said all double and even double, all double 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and even double is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All numbers are those numbers those can not be divided into two equal parts, and even numbers are those numbers that can be divided into two equal parts. थैंक यू। आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक और शेयर कमेंट जरूर करना और सब्सक्राइब करना। थैंक यू।